Let's learn how to express I have a cold, starting with the word cold. 感恩冒 Please repeat after me. 感恩冒感恩冒感恩冒 Let's say them faster. 感冒感冒感冒 Therefore, I have a cold is 我感冒了 Let's have some fun. Let's pretend to sneeze and then squeeze our nose gently. Say I have a cold. Ready? Achoo! 我感冒了 Achoo! 我感冒了 Achoo! 我感冒了 Let's practice what we have learned so far. Please repeat after me. Review 复习复习 Ouch! 哎呦哎呦 I have a headache. 我头疼我头疼 I have a bellyache. 我肚子疼我肚子疼 I have a stomachache. 我胃疼我胃疼 I have a toothache. 我牙疼我牙疼 Don't forget to squeeze your nose gently to pretend that you are having a cold. Achoo! 我感冒了 Achoo! 我感冒了 I will spend lots of time and effort into making these videos. Please give me a thumb up or share. For previous lessons, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or Learn Chinese with Sabrina, no boring grammar, or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com.